Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and I had a lot of people reach out to me asking me, what do the beaches look like? As you know, we always get some really bad storms, and those storms create some crazy erosion on our beaches here in North Wildwood. And well, we had another season of crazy storms, which did lead to a lot of beach erosion. And on today's video, when I put the Seagull or the drone in the sky, you'll be able to see some of that beach erosion. A decent amount of it, I would say, is probably at 16th Street. Kind of heading a little bit north and south from there. Outside of that, we, in at least Wildwood Crest, didn't really see much. Also, if you go towards the inlet, that beach got a lot bit bigger. And so, long story short, I wanted to share with you what the erosion looks like, at least this part of the Wildwoods. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them that we can even do videos like this. They help us buy all the gear to bring you guys videos throughout the entire year. So if you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. That aside, let's get the Seagull in the sky. In the grand scheme of things, this isn't as bad. Right now, it is high tide, which is why you're seeing the water come all the way up here. It's usually going to go out maybe another 20, 30 feet. But the dunes did their job. They stopped the water from going into the streets. At the same time, yes, some of the beach was taken. You know, in a video we did last week, you could see like the manhole cover sticking out of the ground about 2.5 feet. That's a good gauge of how much sand we lost here. And so what's going to happen moving forward? There's a lot of things happening that involving either the federal government or the state government, which could potentially allow us to dredge certain areas and bring stuff on the beach. What is funny is I recorded this video a few days ago, and now today, North Wildwood announced that they're going to be constructing a new bulkhead from the midpoint on 12th Avenue all the way to 15th Street. In their announcement, which you can read on the screen, it says, the city of North Wildwood will begin construction of a beachfront bulkhead will span from the midpoint of 12th to 13th Avenue to 15th Avenue. The proposed construction will connect to the existing bulkheads already in place along the beach. For those worried about construction, it states here that this will be completed before Memorial Day. So just in the meanwhile, if you go down there, those certain sections, whether it be the bike path or maybe a little on the beach, might be closed to the public. But that's where we're at. And so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, as always. I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.